sunshine. You are the ocean to me. You are the sunshine. You are the ocean.
This is the Perth hotel room. This is such a big bed, so comfy. Bit of lounge area here, study, nice big TV, fridge. There's a small kettle here, and you can make teas and coffees. There is a bathroom right here. Toilet and a shower. I am so done for the day. I can take my uniform off. It's the best feeling taking everything off. Alright, I just finished having a quick shower and I love the feel of getting into hotel robe. It's so nice. And I'm gonna have a night of binge watching something, so just gonna chill out and have a relaxing evening. The bed is so nice when you're so tired. Oh. It's about to start. Packing myself in for the ride. So I want to show you guys what I've been watching lately, and it's on Binge if you have Binge, and it's like the biggest show on Binge. So it's called The Flight Attendant. So season 2 just came out, and I think there's only 4 episodes that's out right now. So I think every Thursday there's a new episode that comes out. So basically I just been binge watching season 1. It's just so addictive because everything is about flight attending and it's so fun, and there's a bit of mystery as well, so like if you're into that as well. So there's a bit of comedy, bit of thriller. I love it. I'm so hooked. So hooked. So hooked. So hooked. It's called The Flight Attendant. It's just so addictive. So hooked. So hooked. So hooked. It's like the biggest show on Bing. I love it. I'm so hooked. getting pretty hungry, so I'm gonna order room service to eat in my room. We are pretty lucky to stay in this hotel because we get half price. Very handy because as a flight attendant I don't earn very much, so definitely helps. My room service finally came. Let's check out. Alright, karaage chicken, here we go. The pasta of the day, which is, it looks like mushroom creamy penne pasta. That will go very well with the chicken, and I also got some vegetables because health. This morning's challenge. I need to get to work very soon, but I just got a couple of episodes of season 1 left and I really want to squeeze it in before I go to work. For breakfast I brought a container of high protein yogurt and I just mixed it with frozen raspberries. Doesn't look nice, but healthy. Mix it up. Start eating this. Great way to start a morning. So I'm gonna have this morning's view. Not a cloud in sight. What a great day to fly today. A great day to be outside, but I have binge to catch up on, so I'm gonna finish watching season 1 and hopefully I can get to work in time.
If you want to be featured in the next video, please make sure to subscribe, like and comment on my latest video.